Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A honorable mention for Project Manager Sir Insinyur Octavianto Agusti, MT, IPM, with Co-Project Manager Insinyur Dede Rusbandi Wibowo, ST, and all of my beloved colleagues. First of all, let us thanks to the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. Because of His blessing, we are able to progress this far to have this presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, the presentation today is about our progression in project-based learning, updating, and modeling of the 2023 Poly Batam Campus Master Plan. Now, our agenda today are opening, introduction, presentation time, individual progression, closing. Let's start the presentation. For the next agenda is a presentation session. For the first slide, will be given by the first presenter. Please welcome Ms. Berda.
Project description. It is PBL student run and updating and modeling master plan design project for the Batam Polytechnic Campus 2024 using AutoCAD software and SketchUp, where the result are animation of the front, side, and top view areas of the Batam Polytechnic. This PBL work includes making a Poly Batam master plan, detailed creation of buildings, making animation master plan from Poly Batam campus, making poster, PBL video creation, making IPR and report generation.
I will explain about contribution of PBL first involvement. The first, project design. Demonstrate AutoCAD theory on PBL in making layers, then map layout, and contour making for the master plan to be produced. The second, statistic and calculation of alignment. The initial understanding needing making maps, especially digital thematics, maps related to PBL, is being worked on. The third, advanced terrestrial survey, calculating flattening, and applying the statistical basis and of error propagation in the measurement process and data processing in PBL. The fourth, cartography, carrying out measurement to fill in missing data and draw maps of the resulting data and demonstrate the use of application of related measuring tools for processing digital data related to the PBL being carried out. Next.
Physics provides some of the application of the fields of physical science in the fields of surveying its mapping within the scope as geomatics. Survey GNS demonstrates position methods basic conveys measurement of absolute and relative position setting in the cinematic survey method and height determined with GNS. Civic education demonstrates an ability to work in the team or work in the applicative project PBL of work in citizen project related to as if is PBL. General English create abstract and appreciation slide in English, make appreciation of mid and of a semester evaluation by using English. Next.
Outputs to be generated from the project. First, PBL products, working map, Polybatam master plan map, and the tile building view map. In this PBL, design project of updating and modeling using AutoCAD and SketchUp software, where the result are view and master plan of the Batam State Polytechnic. Second, final project report and presentation slides. The final report shall contain the following points. Third, PBL poster and PBL presentation video. Video presentation with appropriate criteria in chapter monitoring, evaluation, and assessment PBL. Fourth, HKI drive and minutes of PBL handover. Each team prepare a drive HKI document according to the available format. Next.
Project implementation history. First week, kick-off PBL introduction and planning on PBL determination. Second week, introduction and distribution of tasks of the PBL. Third week, are still complying revising the RPP. Fourth week, retrieve and download data on the layout. Fifth week, verification, existing building and measuring the appraising the building with complete data. Sixth week, finishing that have been approved by the relevant lecture. 7 week, finishing the report from HKI, mid-report, presentation slides, contour maps, and will achieve individual progress for two-dimensional object building.
General design, making master plan, making layout, making a floor plan, making map, 3D-dimensional, making Polybatam animation video, poster making, SKI making, report generation. Next.
Now I will mention the progress for our group project for 7 weeks. The first is lesson plan met with the assistant of the project manager. Then there are work maps, contour maps, and then data met with the ArcGIS application. Then there are 2D and 3D drawings of one of the Batam State Polytechnic building made using the AutoCAD and SketchUp application. Then there are report and HKI Finally, there are presentation slides that we are now showing. Next.
Course limited. 1. Project design. Plan and design the composition of space and set in 2D and 3D in AutoCAD and SketchUp software. 2. GNSS survey. Satellite data collection. 3. Advanced terrestrial survey. Take measurement to complete the Polybata master plan data. 4. Cartography, drawing a scale digital working map and contour map of the Polybatam area. 5. Statistic and calculation of alignment in the processing, visible data and qualification in filling out logbook. And 6. Civic education, making HKI, teamwork, critical thinking skill, collaboration skill, linking theory with practice. Okay, next 7. Physics measurement is the form boarding appearance in the field with the laws of physics. And the last, general English, making presentation slide that use English. Next.
Division of labor and contribution of each member in the project manager work will be explained by each individual, starting by myself. I downloaded data DEM and contribute in creating contour map and GIS related work. For details map progress was about 20% finished. We haven't collected the remaining data, but it will be done soon. My object was Gore building, and the progression wasn't quite far because there is something obstacle hinder us from making progression. Next.
In the 2D and 3D animation section, I got the old dormitory building. In the progress for the old dormitory building, I have imported the data into SketchUp and made the pole wall section of the building and the details of the existing building using the visible measurement data obtained. Next.
In PBL, I was involved in joining 3D SketchUp object for progress PBL now. While waiting for the 2D design of the Polybatam area, each member prepare a 3D design on their respective art. If it is complete, then the entire building will combine. Next.
2D object, the main building has been scaled and sized. For 3D data, I just build walls, doors, and windows. Next.
My object is apartment FTF. For 2D, it's already scaled and dimensioned. In 3D, it has started building doors and window columns. Next.
The progress of making SketchUp buildings that I have done is importing building data into the SketchUp application, and I have started making building walls, then making a world map using ArcMap with a plan map of the Batam State Polytechnic taken from Google Earth Pro, and for PBL presentation video will be edited and uploaded to YouTube in the near future.
My SketchUp progress is already at the stage of making columns and walls. Next.
In PBL, I was involved making the report, namely the abstract, objective, and background. And then my progress in SketchUp, I arrived at the creating of the walls and columns of the buildings.
My contribution in this PBL is contour map and making a report, especially in chapter 1, namely a problem formulation, benefit, technical drawing. And then my progress is SketchUp in the building that I will make is techno-planner.
My contribution in PBL are animation video, contour theory, and 3D object like B1. And my progress on the animation video is still in the learning and trial stage, while the contour theory has been complete and the 3D object have finished some wall, doors, and stairs window. Next.
My contribution for HKI and DEM is ready. My object, the progress on the old dormitory building section for AutoCAD has been scaled and dimensioned. Then the AutoCAD data has been imported into the SketchUp to construct the columns walls. Next.
I will to consider obstacles and how to solve them. The first, lack of data in some of the buildings. The solution is take direct measurement with the team to complete the data. The second, lack of good weather in making measurement. The solution is take measurement another day and take measurements quickly and correctly. The third, the lack of ability of students to apply AutoCAD and SketchUp application. The solution is students independently or in group learn to apply related application to hone their skills in using AutoCAD and SketchUp. Next.
Plan for future work. First, complete few maps created from measurement data taken for several Polybatam buildings. Second, 2D and 3D object creation with AutoCAD and SketchUp on each member. Third, making animation videos and poster of Polybatam master plan. And fourth, making detailed map showing the Batam State Polytechnic building and final report.
Finally, we are at the last agenda. I would like to give my gratitude for the presenter and all of the audiences for active participation. The conclusion of today's presentation, there's much more to learn and fix, so our project have a good progress in the future. Hopefully this presentation will give benefits for us. Thank you for your attention and effort. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.